Some drive types are going to support a hot swappable configuration. This is very common in servers. In fact, the one on the right, although it looks like it may be more of a gaming system just because of the, I don't know, the layout seems to strike me that way, but it could be a server, but that's a drive cabinet in a server. The controllers are on the back end. They've got a latch so you insert them and then you lock that to secure it in place. And often those can be pulled. They'll have LED lights that'll tell you when one of them fails, and then you can pull it, replace the physical drive inside it, which is going to be probably SATA or SCSI drive, and then, reinsert. And again, in conjunction with redundancy, a high availability, which we'll go into the details of RAID here shortly. That allows you to stay up and running and not lose data. USB, FireWire, those are always hot swappable. Those FireWire, you could have some older external hard drives that interface with FireWire, but USB clearly is the most common. And flash drives have just greatly increased in size. It's nuts how much data you can hold in your pocket on a little USB storage device.